Hey there, and welcome back to episode number 45. Yep, 45 of the Bright Ideas Daily Nugget. I'm your host, Trent Dyrsmid, and this is the daily video series where I answer your questions about e-commerce as well as to give you a look over my shoulder as my team and I grow our business to our goal of $10 million a year. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use video to help you win more wholesale accounts. And there's two videos in particular that you need to be able to do this. The first video, we'll call it the FAQ video. That's going to be actually a series of videos that you're going to shoot to answer the most common questions that suppliers are going to ask you on that very first phone call. So very, very easy to do. First of all, make a list of the 6 or 7 most common questions that you get asked. Then stand in front of your camera, answer those questions. Each one of those will be an individual video. Once you've got all 6 or 7 of those videos shot, make a highlight reel of kind of the most important things and put that in one video. That video could be 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes long. These do not need to be 90-second long videos. If people are interested, they will watch them. The goal of this video is simple. You want to be able to have if your VAs are doing your initial outreach for you, which they should be, they're going to get asked questions. And rather than have to try to train a VA how to answer your questions like you would do, you're simply going to put all these videos on one page and you're going to have your VA send a link to that page and say, you know what, why don't you hear it from the horse's mouth? This is how, these are the answers to your questions. So that is the first video. The second video is a testimonial video from your suppliers. Here's what you're not going to do. You're not going to call up your suppliers and say, I'd like to shoot a testimonial video for you, because you're probably not going to have a whole lot of success. Maybe you'll have some, but you'll have much less success than if you use the method I'm about to describe. What you should do, and what we're literally right in the middle of doing, is you're going to do an account review call with each of your best suppliers. You're going to do it on GoToMeeting or Zoom or Hangout or whatever, so that their camera is on and your camera is on and you're talking to each other through the computer. Do a legitimate account review call. But in that account review, make sure you ask them some questions about how happy they are to work with you. What's been the single greatest benefit that working with my company has provided? What do you like most about working with my company? How has working with my company helped you to solve your problems on Amazon? How has working with my company helped you to improve your market share? You get the idea. Then, so you're going to have all this raw video, say 5 or 6 different suppliers. And just like the question video, you're going to make a highlight reel out of this. You're going to go and get the best clips, and you're going to put them all together in this one compilation video, and it could be a couple of minutes long, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever, maybe 60 seconds. It doesn't matter the exact length, because people will watch as much as they want to watch. Then you're going to post that somewhere privately, like an unlisted video on YouTube. Then you're going to go back to those 6 suppliers and say, hey, you know, you said some really great stuff. We always record our calls. You said some really great stuff about me. I took a few of the clips out and I put it in this video here. I wonder if you wouldn't mind giving it a watch and let me know if this would be okay to send to prospective suppliers. So a couple things are going to happen. One, you're respecting the fact that you haven't asked permission yet to use this video publicly. 2, they're going to see the best parts of what they said. And 3, they're going to know that they weren't the only one that did this for you. And that is going to significantly increase the odds they're going to go, yeah, that's fine, go ahead and use that. You're going to put that video on the same page on your site that you're going to put your FAQ video. And this way, when you have your VAs booking appointments with prospective suppliers for you before they ever get on the phone with you, they're already going to have watched this stuff, and it is going to significantly warm them up and predispose them to wanting to do business with you. All right, so if you would like to submit a question of your own, you can do that at Brightideas.co/asktrent. If you'd like to become a member of our community to get access to more videos and podcasts and all the other stuff that we do, just go become a member at Brightideas.co. There's lots of ways on the homepage to do it. And finally, if you're already a member and you're watching this video in one of our Facebook groups, would love it if you would take a moment to like, share, comment on the video, etc. Thanks very much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next Daily Nugget. Take care. Bye-bye.